at this institution.
सगळ्यांच्या घरात तोच प्रश्न असतात, पुढे वचपाचे आणि गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब घेवपाचे. सगळ्यात पयलीं दिसता ते भुरगे आसता कसो गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब मेळटलो. तुमकां एक सांगता, पुढे गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब न्ही, आपूण जॉब करपाचो खंयचो आसा हो इम्पॉर्टंट ना. किंवा बॅड हॅबिट्स आसा, हाच्या पासून दूर रावा. एक लक्षात दवरा, तुमच्या आई बाबान खूप कष्ट केले, अजूनही कष्ट करता की तुमकां हे करपाक, कितें तुमकां इतले वयर करपाक. तुम्ही जर कितें वायट केलें तर तांकां जे मनान दुखता न्ही, ते पेरंट्स कॅनॉट एक्सप्रेस, ताका शब्द ना. आणि तुमकां जर भुरग्यांक सांगून येयलें की तुमी सगळीं भुरगीं आसा, एडल्ट आसा, पुबर्टी आसा, तुमकां राग येता. आणि आई बाबान सांगलें सगळ्यात राग येता, टिचरान सांगलें तरी मनशां आयकता. सो प्लीज, कितेंय जर तुमच्या तकलेन वायट येयलें, वायट करचे साठी 100 वेळा विचार करा. तुमच्या घरात, तुमच्या फॅमिलीच्या घरात आणि समाजाच्या घरात.
I'm really happy to see you all here on this day, and also happy and glad that most of our trainees who have passed out have been absorbed by the companies. We recently conducted a placement fair in Ravindra Bhavan in the month of June. So glad to know that some of our trainees are selected by reputed companies. Binani Glass Fiber, Mr. Cedric Lobo has also selected our two trainees of electrician trade. And these trainees are, earning 20,000 salary per month. And I heard that one or two will be going to UK for further training. So it's a good thing that trainees have got placed. And finally, this is through the effort of all our instructors, GIs, our department, our government, our director, Honorable CM, who is the minister of our department. So we are really feeling, I'm quite proud feelings that आमचे भुरगे कामाक लागले and they are progressing. So, as a serving promotion address,